FL2K and they're doing Revolution. It's
Elimination. Sunday.
Revolution. It's a
Elimination.
Sunday. Revolution.
Elimination.
Elimination. And this year is actually Collins, and he's gonna be in a race. I can't see him going vroom vroom vroom. He's over there getting all ready up in the line. It's Collins' car. It's the winner right here.
There. So here we go. The diamond.
There's Owen, the one with the flag, not the very gray, that one. He's Colin just went, and he didn't go too fast because his tires kept on spinning. His tires spun out, so he's out. And it's like super hot today too. Florida's hot. Yeah, and they put him too far over in the groovy on the track. Gotta find them.
Good separation right there. The SC3 looking, man, that looks like the best there.
We're walking the pit.
Smith. If your name is Stephen Ryan Smith, when you get to the tower, bring your ID with you. We have something.
Hi, Cletus.
Hi. Taking pictures?
Now taking video for my YouTube channel.
Video. You want a photo quick?
Oh, it's fun. I just said hi to Cletus and we got our photo taken too. He's like the most famous racer of this. And he has his own YouTube channel and he's like super cool. You should actually check him out. And I can't believe I actually got my photo taken. His tires kept on spinning. His tires spun out.
GTR engine is straight front wheel drive.
This car is nice too. It's a pretty color blue.
The old girl, 20 years in standing. So, I think we have to do buy runs, so I think kind of like the default is
This is a pretty cool car. Fast and Furious.
Yeah.
Hey, Motorsports just showed us their car. It was pretty fun. I liked it too. And I'm excited. It looks like from the Fast and Furious movie. That big thing that's in the middle that's just there and it goes really fast.
Go!
And regular stick shift to about R on the move. You view the 1 and 2.
We did an all-wheel drive conversion.
Lanes get there, double lane. 57-180.
That's the Japanese factory mirror. They have to have more.
Look at that donkey face. It's funny.
Performance of the rotor, how technically advanced system up. 80 miles an hour. Figured it out there just a little bit. I think it was 147 getting it out, but 135 through time. Here, late time as well. That's here on lock.
Hey guys, it's like way too hot out here and I actually did have fun. Right now they're just doing the race. We saw the race and they keep on doing it and we're out. It's too hot. And I actually really did have fun. I saw some pretty cool cars. And there's like one girl driver. And there was a girl car that was driving. It was this one.
Load up, please. Load up, please.
usually gets the win, not a
1050 index, lanes 3 and 4, 1050, 1050, 1050, 9275. You are the my run guy. Once again, 1975, Daniel DeGraw. He loves STIs. Airport taking out domestic, 1003. Machine gonna be right inside only and ready for there's the top of the line. Give it to me. Top thing is pass in the round number 2. Every time. Here we go. Top of the racetrack. How about 10.5? There we go. We gotta go. So any little kids on bicycles, we gotta put them away. Time gets a little free.
It's raining.
It's raining.
No racing while raining. Can't race while it's wet.
Yeah, race while it's wet, so we're racing. My team, well, it was super great out there. I liked all the race cars. They're like, and I liked that orange car that I just showed you. That was all broken apart. I liked that one. Adrian, what was your favorite part? Nothing. Adrian's favorite part was leaving.
There's a Skyway. Banjoe, you see?
And we got to see Cletus too. And we got some shirts too. We got shirts. Okay, and Daddy's shirt is.
Up there. Can you see it to the top? Can you see it up there?
There's a white car that went fast, and there's a red car that was this. You're not going to win. You're going to go bye.
Do it again. Ready straight to heights.
So I'm not scared of glitches. Bye. See you on the next video, or maybe for Halloween.
You're drinking like a dinosaur?